Hello everybody, this is Atushi and welcome back to the channel Atushi's Edulure English for All. You must have guessed the theme for idioms for this week. We have been doing idioms and this is the third episode. And we have taken up the theme as time for this week. So today's idiom is keep up with the times or move up with the times. To keep up with the times means to change your ideas, opinions, thoughts, way of living, way of working in order to match with the present. So when you have to change your thoughts, ideas, opinions, your lifestyle in order to match with the present scenario, then we can call it as keep up with the times or move up with the times. Keep up with the times? How to use it in sentences? Let's observe some sentences then. I really don't like to access social media, but then you have to keep up with the times. I do not like to access social media, but then to match with the present scenario, to match with the present generation, I have to keep up with the times. My grandma doesn't have a cell phone. She never wants to keep up with the times or move up with the times. She doesn't like the present time where people are always busy with cell phones, so she doesn't have a cell phone. The publishers have to change their methods if they want to keep up with the times. With a changing scenario where information is readily available in the digital format, you can find any information in the internet. So with this changing scenario, the publishers have to keep themselves updated. They have to keep up with the times if they want to progress. I love my own self. I just don't care of keeping up with the times. I love the way I am. I just don't have to keep up myself and match with the present time. Teachers should keep up with the times so as to conduct online sessions smoothly. As this year with the changing scenario, we can observe that most of the classes are online. Now teachers should keep up with the times. They have to upgrade themselves so that they can match with the present scenario and take their classes smoothly. This idiom can also be said as change with the times and move up with the times. So we have three options: keep up with the times, move up with the times, or change with the times. So now you have got another idiom in your vocabulary bag. Now quickly frame a sentence and write it below. I'll be again back with a new idiom. Till then, take care, bye-bye. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.